this is a fantastic conference to meet people you haven't seen. Just walking the halls this morning, I'm running into people from as far back as residents.
I love the people in emergency medicine. They're fun, they're problem solvers, and being able to stay connected with ACEP helps you remember that part of your job that you love.
It's such a tough time in the emergency department. When we come back here, it gives us renewed energy, renewed sense of purpose, and when we're ready to go back to work, we're full of energy and ready to go.
ACEP is championing the emergency physician like never before. We are needed and must not, absolutely cannot stop.
The brain is comparing new information, making predictions, forming patterns based on the past. And our pattern forming increases when we're stressed. We'll see more patterns in data. We become susceptible to conspiracy theories, fake news, because when our stress increases, when the world feels uncertain, this pattern forming increases. But there's nothing in the brain that ensures the truth.
We must not let fear of the unknown paralyze us or create apathy. Instead, we must continue to sojourn with unwavering hope and a bright future. Now is our time to lead. Now is the time to change the future.